How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out your Snapchat account from all of the devices. So let us begin. First things first, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you do that, go to your settings, that is on the top right. And after you've done that, scroll down. Now, after you scroll down for a bit, you will see two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Now here you will need to enable your two-factor authentication. So tap on continue. Tap on let's do it. And now choose a method. Now you can use your SMS, that is you can use your phone number, or you can use an authentication app. So I'm going to use authentication app. You can use SMS or whichever you like and set it up. So after you've set up your two-factor authentication, you will get additional settings added to your two-factor authentication. Now on the last one, you will see forget devices. Tap on it and there you will find all of your devices where your account is logged in. Now all you need to do is tap on this cross and tap on yes, and then you'll get logged out from all the other devices. And that is how you do it. And that is all for this video too, guys. Thanks for watching.